Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem you might be having with your WordPress website if your images aren't showing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up successfully, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner, you can get started logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account if you have not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with fixing the problem we might be having with our images not showing up. So basically guys, the problem is most likely going to be in our plugins and our themes. So this is what we can do. As you can see right here in the official Bluehost article showing us what to do if images are not showing for us in WordPress. Basically guys, it's often going to be with the plugins. On the left side of the menu, you want to click on the plugins section. There you want to click deactivate from the options that are going to appear. So what you can do is the left side screen, click plugins, and this is going to open up your settings menu where you can find a look at all the plugins that you can use and your plugins marketplace, and this is where you want to deactivate all the plugins. After that guys, you can try if your images are going to be showing. If they're still not showing up, you can deactivate the themes. So what you can do is then go into appearance and select themes. So once we go into appearance right here and click on themes, it's going to open up this themes menu where you can take a look at all the themes we are using. And what we can do guys then is to go ahead and activate a different template. So you want to use some different theme you haven't used already, just to test it out if the problem is with your themes or not. So if you can use a theme you have not already edited, go ahead and open it up and see now if your images are going to be loading up. The most likely problem is going to be with your themes and plugins and should probably not work. But if it's still not working guys, what you can do is make sure your media you are uploading is going to go ahead and follow the rules, that it's not too big in size, and so on. If you still keep getting problems, then you can contact WordPress support, explain to them, and they'll help you out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.